Hello, my students. My name is Komal, your English teacher, and here I am again with another English video. And today we'll be reading chapter number 7 of First Light, and the name of the chapter is Madam Rides the Bus. Now, what all things are we going to cover in this chapter? In this particular part, we're going to read about a world beyond the door. Now imagine when you were of 5 or 6 year old, what you used to be think of world. For you the world was your parents, the world was your house or the garden which you went to play, or maybe your street. That's it. But do you think that the world only has that much things? No. There is a lot, there are a lot of areas which are totally unexplored. So today in this particular part we'll see how a little 8-year-old girl, Valli, would be exploring the world outside her village. What sort of desire will she grow inside her heart? And what all efforts is she going to put, in order to complete that desire, in order to fulfill that desire? Okay? Now, who's the writer of this chapter? The writer's name is Valli Kannan, okay? Or rather, his real name is R.S. Krishnaswamy and his pen name मतलब जो वो लिखने के लिए यूज करते थे अपने राइटिंग्स के नीचे, जिस नाम के पोएट वो मशहूर थे, राइटर मशहूर थे, उसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? Valli Kannan. It is basically his pen name. He was born on 12th November 1920 and he died somewhere near to his birthday, that is on 9th November. He is a Tamil writer, a journalist, a critic and a translator from तमिलनाडु. ऑफ कोर्स वो एक राइटर है, क्रिटिक है, जर्नलिस्ट है एंड ऑल्सो वो एक ट्रांसलेटर भी रह चुके हैं और उनका ओरिजिन कहाँ था? तमिलनाडु, इंडिया में उनका ओरिजिन रहा है. Through Valli in Madam Rides the Bus, Valli Kannan depicts the curious nature of the children. अब इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर से वल्ली कन्नन ने मैडम राइड्स द बस लिखा और उसकी प्रोटैगनिस्ट है वल्लिया मई एंड इन शॉर्ट शी इज कॉल्ड Valli. And through Valli's character, he basically wants to depict the curious and inquisitive nature of children. How these little ones, how they perceive the things. What is their opinion about different things of life? How their opinion is very different to that of adults, and what sort of what they think about a particular thing, and how it is very different to that of the adult ones. So he tried to depict all these ideas with the help of the character of Valli and again in the chapter Madam Rides the Bus. Now we're going to see what is given, what prologue had been given in this particular chapter. In this sensitive story, an 8-year-old girl's first bus journey into world outside her village is also her induction into the mystery of life and death. So, in this particular chapter, we'll be reading how a little 8-year-old girl plans for her first bus ride, and this she plans all alone. She wants to undertake this journey all alone. She doesn't want her parents around. She wants to feel like a grown-up, and she's planning for all those things on her own, and she actually experiences the bus. And it was not just her first experience of the bus ride, but also she experiences death for the very first time. Before that, Valli Mai, who's the protagonist of this chapter, didn't know what death was. उसको ये नहीं पता था डेथ क्या होता है, डेथ क्या चीज है. लेकिन ये बस राइड ने उसको उस चीज का भी इंडक्शन दिया, उस चीज को उससे भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया. She sees the gap between our knowing that there is death and our understanding of it. Even after she got the information of the death, but was she able to understand that completely? We'll be reading that in chapter. There is a huge gap between having the information and understanding of information, and how Valli perceives these two things, how Valli was able to relate to these 2 points at the end of the chapter. We are going to cover each and every point, so we'll not waste any time. We'll quickly start with our chapter. So the first scene, there are not scenes, basically you can say there are 4 parts of this chapter. In the very first part, we'll be seeing how Valli would grow this desire of riding that bus and how would she plan for it. Okay. So it starts with, there was a girl named Valyamai who was called Valli for short. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. सो क्यूरियस का मतलब होता है वो इंसान जो चीज़ों को सीखने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा आतुर रहता है, जो बहुत ज़्यादा जिसके अंदर रुचि होती है चीज़ों को चीज़ सीखने की, कोई वो पर्सन जो हमेशा इंटरेस्टेड रहता है चीज़ों को सीखने में. सो there was a girl, we have our protagonist, and the protagonist is a little girl of 8 years old. Her full name is Valyamai, but for short, her pet name is Valli. People used to call her Valli out of love. And her character is very different. She's not just, she's basically like 8-year-olds only. How these little ones are very curious. They would go and touch one thing, they would pick up another, they would throw things, they keep on exploring, right? 8 साल, 1 साल से लेके 8-10 साल तक बच्चे बहुत चीजें एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. So similarly, Valli was same character. She had same characteristics. She was very curious. She was very, inquisitive, and she wanted to explore more and more things in her life. हर फेवरेट पास टाइम, देखो पास टाइम का मतलब होता है बेसिकली जब फ्री का टाइम होता है, जो फ्री टाइम होता है आफ्टर स्टडीज और अपने घर वालों के साथ टाइम, काम करने के बाद जो फ्री टाइम होता है उससे हम क्या कहते हैं, पास टाइम. So her favorite pastime was standing in front of doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. तो उसका जो favorite काम था अपने free time में करने का, that was she would stand. Can you see a girl here? She would stand. She's Valyamai. So she would always stand like that at the door, and she would keep on observing things happening at the street. She would keep on observing things happening on the street, and she loved this activity. It was not like she was doing something out of force, or she was, she didn't enjoy that particular activity. No, she loved standing nearby the door, and she loved observing things happening outside on the street. Okay. Watching the street gave her many new unusual experiences. Unusual का होता है जो चीज़ common नहीं है. तो अब यहाँ पर डोर पे खड़े रहने से things that she saw, things that she observed and absorbed, the things that she experienced, they were not usual things. Like कुछ लोग बाहर लड़ते थे तो she could see people fighting, she could see people passing by the road, she could see people, enjoying certain festivals, conversations. So she could find different set of emotions on the street, and those emotions only gave her new experiences which were not very common for an 8-year-old girl. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between her village and the nearest town. Fascinating होती है कोई चीज जो आपको attract करे, interesting लगे. So now, out of all the activities happening near the road or on the street, the favorite activity out of all was a bus. Okay, looking at the bus, observing the bus, or experiencing, looking at the people who would travel on that bus, who were on board the bus. So she loved that bus, and that bus moved to and fro. That bus moved from village to the town and came back from the town to the village. So she loved observing that movement of the bus. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town एंड वंस कमिंग बैक. एंड वो हर घंटे क्या होता था, बस 1 घंटा पहले विलेज से टाउन जाती थी और नेक्स्ट ही आवर में क्या करती थी, वो टाउन से वापस विलेज आती थी. तो वलीज फेवरेट एक्टिविटी वाज टू लुक एट दिस बस मूविंग टू एंड फ्रो, in between the village and the town. So she loved observing that bus. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Valli. Day after day, she watched the bus, and gradually a tiny wish crept into her head and grew there. Okay. So वो, every time she would find new set of passengers laughing, enjoying the bus ride, and that sight of bus made her develop a wish. It developed a wish of having or enjoying or experiencing a bus ride on her own. वो उस पर्टिकुलर, जब वो बार बार बस को टू और फ्रो घूमता देखती थी, तो उसके अंदर ये जो एक डिजायर थी, जो विश थी ऑफ हैविंग अ बस राइड, इट केप्ट ऑन ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग एंड ग्रोइंग. वो बढ़ती गई और वो विश कब डिजायर में कन्वर्ट हो गई, कब लॉन्गिंग में कन्वर्ट हो गई, दैट वल्ली कुड नॉट इवन अंडरस्टैंड. एंड नाउ शी हैड दिस, she had this urge of experiencing a bus ride. She wanted to ride that bus, and she wanted to feel the same that new set of passengers would feel on that bus every time. She wanted to ride on that bus even if just once. This wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. मैंने कहा ना, जो चीज विश के साथ शुरू हुई थी कि just any time she would think of कि ठीक है, I also want to ride that bus. If she would see passengers laughing and enjoying the bus ride, she would also feel, I also want to be on that bus. I also want to go down on that bus only. But when this particular wish got converted into desire, she could not even understand. It became so strong emotionally. She got so connected to the bus. So even if for once she just wanted to ride that bus, सिर्फ एक बार, चाहे पूरी पूरी लाइफ में उसे एक ही बार मौका मिले, but she wanted to have that chance. She wanted to have that opportunity to ride that bus. Valli would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped at the street corner. देखो, wistfully का मतलब होता है something which is sad, okay? थोड़ा सा gloomy way में. तो अब वल्ली was a little girl. अब सोचो, छोटे बच्चों को कोई चीज़ बहुत, if they wish for something, उनको desire है किसी चीज़ की कि उन्हें वो चाहिए, और वो उन्हें ना मिल पाए, लेकिन वो बार बार किन्हीं और लोगों को उसी चीज़ को enjoy करते हुए देखें या experience करते हुए देखें, तो they get a little sad. They feel a little, gloomy कि why they can have that same thing, but why can't I have that? Because little children cannot make the difference. They're so pure at heart. Similarly, Valli, she could not also, bear people. She could not bear seeing people having that bus ride. She could not stand that. She would feel a little sad that they all are enjoying that bus ride, but I am the unlucky one. I am not able to get on the bus and I'm not able to enjoy that bus ride. So she would see people getting on the bus, getting off the bus, but she would feel a little sad and she would keep on staring them, and she would think of the day when she will also have that bus ride. Okay, I hope यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया होगा. Their faces would kindle in the longings, dreams and hopes if one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights. So यहाँ पर kindle का मतलब होता है किसी चीज को बनाना या enlighten कर देना. So she said कि whenever I saw that those set of people who were getting off the bus or who were getting on the bus, their faces would be so happy, and their faces would tell you that they are filled with the dreams, the desires. Longing का मतलब होता है desire, dreams, desires and hope. उनके चेहरे अलग से ही चमकते हुए रहते थे क्योंकि उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी हो रही थी. They had more dreams, they had more hopes, they had more, happiness. So Valli would want, she really wanted to have the same feeling. She really wanted to enjoy that bus ride, but till now she could not do that. That is why, looking at the people who were already experiencing the bus ride, she felt a little sad. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sights of the town to her, Valli would be too jealous to listen and would shout in English, "Proud, proud." Neither she nor her friends really understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. तो अब अगर उसकी कोई फ्रेंड कभी भी, जिसने उस बस राइड को किया था, तो कभी भी अगर वो अपनी बस राइड के बारे में बताती थी, तो वल्ली कभी भी उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती थी. शी वुड फील अ लिटिल जेलस. उसे थोड़ा सा जेलस फील होता था, थोड़ा सा बुरा फील होता था. एंड इन ऑर्डर नॉट टू लिसन टू एनी ऑफ दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस, शी वुड simply tell her friend that you're too proud, you're too proud. Now these little girls didn't know the meaning of word proud. How we use the usage of word proud was totally unknown to them, but they used this English word in order to show their disapproval. Whenever they wanted to reject any idea, they would simply say, "Arey, you're very proud, you're too proud, don't speak to us." And Valli would do same to the girls who would share who would share their experience of the bus ride, or of the bus ride and the town to Valli. Over many days and months, Valli listened carefully conversations between her neighbors and people who regularly use the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions here and there. And now Valli decided that no matter what, you know, कुछ भी हो जाए, she is going to have the bus ride. So what she did, she planned something. She said that I will have the bus ride, but before that I'll have to plan, because she just saw the bus. She just looked at the bus, but the information like what is the fare, what are the timings, when bus leaves the village, when it comes back, how much time is it going to take, what is the halt time at the town, she was totally unaware of those questions. But Valli was a very intelligent girl. She was a curious and an inquisitive mind. So she decided that she's going to eavesdrop the conversation of the passengers, and also she is going to ask few selected questions to the passengers of the bus. So what she did, सबसे पहले कॉन्वर्जेशन का मतलब बात करना किसी से, एंड डिस्क्रीट का मतलब होता है कॉशियसली, एकदम संभल के सीक्रेटली किसी से बातें पूछना. तो जो भी पैसेंजर बस पे चढ़ता था या उतरता था और वो अगर आपस में बात कर रहे होते थे तो वल्ली उनकी बातें कान लगा के सुनती थी. शी वुड ईव्सड्रॉप. एंड कुछ पैसेंजर्स जिनको शायद वो जानती थी या जिनसे उसका थोड़ा सा फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर था या कोई नोन पर्सन था, तो उनसे सीक्रेटली क्वेश्चंस वल्ली पूछती थी कि फेयर कितना है, कितना टाइम लगेगा बस को वहां जाने में, बस वहां पर कितना देर रुकती है. This way, she picked up various small details about the bus journey. ओके तो इसी तरीके से उसने बहुत पिक्यूलियर इंफॉर्मेशन भी बस के बारे में निकाल ली थी. नाउ व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन? नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू हैव टू मार्क इट. यहाँ से आपका क्वेश्चन बन सकता है दैट हाउ वल्ली प्लान फॉर द होल ट्रिप. सो वेरी फर्स्ट, शी eavesdropped the conversation of the people and the passengers, and she also asked very discreet questions, selected questions in cautious manner to the passengers of the bus who were known to her. And through this method she was able to collect the information regarding, अब क्या क्या मिली थी. सबसे पहले कि टाउन कितना मील दूर है, द टाउन was 6 miles away. अच्छा, बोर्ड में कभी भी न्यूमरल्स नहीं लिखते हैं. आप 6 को कैसे लिखोगे बच्चों? You would not write the number 6, but you will always write the word 6. Okay? So उसके village से the town was 6 miles away. The fare was 30 paise one way. So the first information was the distance, that is 30 miles, and second is the fare, किराया कितना लगेगा. तो she knew in order to reach town she would have to pay 30 paisa, and on return the same fare would be charged. So in total she needed 60 paise, okay, which is almost nothing at all. She heard one well-dressed man say, but to Valli, who scarcely saw that much money from one month to the next, it seemed like a fortune. तो उसने जिस इंसान को ये बोला था, तो दो लोग आपस में बात कर रहे थे. So one man said कि how convenient the bus is, कितनी convenient है बस, सिर्फ 30 पैसे चार्ज करती है और टाउन पहुंचा देती है, और वापस अगर टाउन से विलेज आना है तो वापस से उतना ही 30 पैसा दो और वापस से यहाँ पहुंचा देगी हमको. और 30 पैसे कितना छोटा अमाउंट है. देखो, किसी एक एडल्ट के लिए जो अर्न कर रहा है, स्पेंडिंग 30 पैसा ऑन वन साइड ऑफ राइड इज ओके, बट फॉर वल्ली जिसके पास पैसे बिल्कुल भी नहीं थे, वो बिलोंग टू मिडिल क्लास, जो कि मिडिल क्लास से बिलोंग करती थी, उसको कोई पॉकेट मनी नहीं मिलती थी, तो फॉर हर 60 पैसे वाज समवट लाइक अ फॉर्च्यून, एक बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट वल्ली के लिए वो था. So that is why it was a big task for her to arrange the money. Now she could not even ask for the money from her mother because she wanted to plan this whole journey on her own. She didn't want to take anybody's help. So 60 paisa was a huge amount for her, but her determination was way more, it was way larger than the amount, and that is why she decided she's going to save 60 paisa and she's going to enjoy the bus ride. द ट्रिप टू द टाउन. सो दो इन्फॉर्मेशन देख ली हमने, फेयर की देखा और हम लोगों ने टाउन का डिस्टेंस देखा. द ट्रिप टू द टाउन टुक 45 minutes. On reaching town, if she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paise, she could return home on the same bus. This meant that she could take the 1 o'clock afternoon bus and reach the town at 1:45 and be back home by about 2:45. So now she collected another information, was the timing, the duration that the bus, took in order to reach to the town and come back to the village. So she knew that one round to the one side to the other side of the path would take 45 minutes. If the bus starts from the village at 1 o'clock, so the bus would reach town by 1:45. यानी कि बस अगर 1 बजे यहाँ से शुरू करती है तो बस टाउन पे कितने बजे पहुंच जाएगी? 1:45. अब यहाँ पर 15 मिनट का हॉल्ट होता है, यानी कि टाउन में बस कितनी देर रुकेगी? 15 मिनट रुकेगी. और फिर वहां पे से 2 बजे बस आराम से वापस निकलेगी और विलेज कितने बजे पहुंच जाएगी? 2:45. यानी कि अ राउंड ट्रिप इज गोइंग टू कॉस्ट हर समवेयर अराउंड 1 hour 45 minutes, and for her it was also a huge time, but she had an escape for it. She had a solution for this problem. यानी कि उसको 3 बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गई थी कि टाउन 6 माइल दूर है, फेयर 30 पैसा लगता है, और एक पूरा राउंड ट्रिप करने के लिए she would need 1 hour 45 minutes. So this paragraph is very important, children. You have to mark it properly. Why? Because this can come, ये particular paragraph आपके किसके काम आएगा? एक question आता है, how did she plan for it? So she planned for her bus ride this way. Okay. And on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. And she was a meticulous planner, we can say. She was a very careful girl. So she kept on going, her thoughts kept on going and going and going. She planned and planned. She calculated and kept on calculating until she could achieve everything that was there in her mind. And in the next part, abhi I think this is the end of the part 1, and part 2 में हम लोग देखेंगे finally she enjoys her bus ride. इस part में था कि कैसे she grows this, she grows this wish or desire of having a bus ride, enjoying a bus ride, and how she plans for it, how she collects the information, what all actions did she, willing efforts and practical efforts did she put in making a successful bus journey. This we have seen in first part, and second part we will be reading about her experience of bus ride. So now what is the learning outcome of this particular part? The power of imagination and desire. Look, she didn't have a lot of playmates of her own age around her area, so she didn't feel sad about it. She kept standing at the door and she enjoyed that activity. She enjoyed, she kept on imagining about different things happening around the street. That is what the power of imagination is. And that imagination, that observation, that, experiencing the visual experience of thing had made her develop a desire inside her heart. And is desire ki wajah se, how Valli was having an exposure of practical world. देखो, किसी छोटे बच्चे के लिए क्वेश्चंस पूछना, इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना, एक तरीके से सर्वे करना, बस के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करना इज अ वेरी अनयूजुअल टास्क. बट हाउ वल्ली वाज एबल टू डू इट, इट वाज वेरी, इट इज वेरी इनक्रेडिबल टू लुक एट. तो जो इमेजिनेशन और डिजायर था, दैट लेड वल्ली टू हैव द एक्सपोजर ऑफ द प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड. एक्सपोजर ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल वर्ल्ड. ठीक है, तो दिस इज वॉट वी लर्न फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट. आई होप यहाँ तक सब लोगों को समझ में आया होगा. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स. सो वेरी फर्स्ट इज, what was Valli's favorite pastime? Pastime is like free में क्या, free के time पे उसे क्या करना पसंद था? So watching people on the street, playing with her friends, going to the town, or helping with the household chores. So the answer is very simple. It is A. She loved watching people on the street. And I want you to count your answers. कितने answers तुम लोगों के सही होते हैं? Write your answers in the comment section and tell your answers. And at the end, you please tell me how many answers you got right. Second, what does the word wistfully convey about Valli's feelings towards the bus? जो वर्ड wistfully है वो किस तरीके की फीलिंग्स को डिस्क्राइब करता है वल्ली के बारे में? वल्ली की क्या फीलिंग्स थी बस के लिए? She was angry, she was sad, she was indifferent, she was excited. I told you wistfully means something in a sad way, in a gloomy way. So she was not angry, she was not indifferent, she was not excited to see people on the bus because she was excited for herself. She wanted to enjoy the bus ride. But looking at the people in that bus, getting on and off the bus, enjoying the bus ride, she felt a little sad. So the answer will be B. Next question. How would you describe Valli's character based on the given passage? इस पूरे particular part से how can you, like what can you tell about Valli's character? वल्ली के character के बारे में आप क्या कह सकते हैं? Was she lazy and indifferent? क्या वो आलसी और बिल्कुल indifferent थी, उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था? No, that's a wrong option. Was she curious and determined? We'll come to this part later on. Was she shy and timid? क्या वो एकदम डरती थी और बिल्कुल shy थी, डरपोक बच्ची थी वो? नहीं, she was not at all like that. Was she greedy and selfish? No, she was not at all greedy and selfish, which leaves us with one particular part, that is curious and determined. She was curious, she kept on looking at the bus and she developed this desire of having a bus ride on her own, and she was determined enough. That is why she had put practical efforts in order to fulfill her desire of having the bus ride. So here we can say Valli was very curious and a determined character. Last question. What does the phrase "a fortune" reveal about Valli's financial situation? 60 पैसे उसके लिए एक बड़ा फॉर्च्यून था, एक बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट था. ये वल्ली के कैरेक्टर के बारे में क्या कहता है? Was she rich? Was she poor? Was she middle class? Or no information is provided. So by the extract and the way Valli is coming out as a person, as a character, the way she stands, the way she collects information, she knows English also. So with this we can say that Valli was a girl, she belonged to middle class. Okay. आई होप सारा पार्ट आपको समझ में आया होगा एंड क्वेश्चंस भी आप लोगों के सारे सही हुए होंगे. And I hope you all are watching all the videos and you're learning every day, you're learning something new with your Komal ma'am. And as I always tell you, for your grade 10 preparations, please stick to Mission Gyan, and for your grade 10 English preparations, stick to your Komal ma'am. Bye bye all of you. Take care and study well.